Hello, I'm record this video for what I've learned this exercise. So here we go. So first we go to the this like URL, but there is already data, so I'm remove this data first and then I upload one more time. So when I go there and the drop data, okay, and also mm, let me check. Okay, so first I upload data on the website. Because I already create this file for 5,000 records. So here we go. Reload again. There is no data. There is data is there, but I think I drop one more time. And there is a data drop, and let me so there is no document is here. And when I reload again, and I see there is errors. So there is data for fetch from documents, but there is error. Let me check quickly. First, I'm gonna like stop the project and run again. So install the requirement on a backend. They install requirements, everything, and they reload again Unicorn. And I'm running this project again, and this one is completely perfectly working. And then I move into the front end, and install and run this project. So when I open this project, so it show me the UI. So UI is there, and I'm ready to upload the document like 5,000 words budget document. Once I open this file and you see there is a bunch of data. Before I have the other file, like sample data, there is only 100 data. So that exercise is also check the 5,000 record. So I open this file and I uploaded this file. So it's quickly upload the 5,000 rows. And when I go to Postgres and you see there is two tables, document and records. And when I open this records, here is the record, and you see there is thousand lines of file. And when I update there and I create 5,000, and you see there is bunch of data is there in these records. And when I move to search, when I just search my what was the total budget, what was the total budget for Q3 Q3 quarter 3, and I click enter. They did not find any records because this one I create with ChatGPT. So I put some question from here. First show the item from the January 2024, and I click the 2024, and they boom, there is data, bunch of data. They show me the whole data, and also they count the record from like 5,003 records. And I upload one more time. There is already like a small file which the which exercise have sample data. So I upload this data. They also update one more data, and when I try to what what was the budget for Q3 and question mark, and you see there are two data found. So you see there is a working, and rows is also working. So what I done this project, here is my answer for this project. So first was the root cause bug fixes. The root cause of the backend was incorrectly decoding CVC file using standard UTF and UTF-8, which failed to extract byte more data BOM frequently found in Excel the CVC file. Additional, the upload process lagged database transaction, meaning failure with the mid upload would leave partially. So what I done, the explanation I get from the ChatGPT, and I know what it done. So I changed this UTF-8 sig code in the file, and also I mentioned the front end thing. Use effect, I use use effect for every time the user upload the file, and they reload the whole page and the whole application again, and then set in the search result data. And also database performance, I put some database query, fix a database query, and also I put some design judgment, and also addressing it AI hallucination. So I put some codes on it. And also there is I change some files like a backend. When you go to backend, I put the code, the where I change the file code. Here is a first problem. So I put the main file UTF-8 and also I put the async, because before there is no async automation. So I put the atomic upload. So async, I put the async on the Python code, and also I put some code in the front end. When you go to page, so here is my use effect. I put the use effect in the first, when user fetch the data existing document, when the component first mount. So every time they upload the data, they refresh the documents and set in the current documents. That's my result is. And you see there is working perfectly. And if you have any question, so ask me and give me feedback. Thank you so much.